Oh my gosh, is that you, Feline? I haven't seen you in years, must be at least 20 now. I can't believe it.
Oh my god, Christine. Since elementary school. I mean, we never talked, or got on, much, but I still can't believe it's you.
Yeah, I know. Me neither. Oh my god. Did you hear that? The crash from over there?
Stay calm everybody. We are all handling this, be calm.
What are you doing? You don't work on a subway, do you? What could you possibly do?
I'm the guard, to make sure nothing happens on the train. The crime rates on subways have gone up 15% since last year, you know. That's why they started employing What is that?
What the hell do you think it is? A water pistol? No, I didn't think so. It's a gun, dumbass.
Just tell him to put it away now, Christine. We don't want no one getting hurt, now do we?
Oh, just shut up, Feline. I don't care about anyone else, and I don't think Klein does either. Here. Look at this.
Oh. My. God. He killed her. He killed a baby.